Hey YouTubers, well, okay, little update on what we're working on behind in the Galleon settee area here. First mate last weekend decided that we didn't have enough projects going. So she went and she took off the window rings and she tore out all the carpet back behind here. And now we have since gone and gotten a big piece of carpet that matches the carpet in the hallway here. And yesterday I went and got carpet glue and I glued it down. We decided to do carpet back here. We're trying to keep the noise down for one thing, and we just, this was going to be a lot quicker than with what else we're doing back here than anything else. This is going to all be painted. We got the paint. We're going to paint it today. We have cut a mahogany piece to go back and cover the entire back. It's going to be hinged. We're building this shelf out another 4 inches, and the hinged back is going to go up against it, and there'll be a fiddle back there. We've got everything we need except for the fiddle, and First Mate is up there now varnishing the stained mahogany piece. We stained it to look similar to this piece, and teak, kind of a teak color. So that's what we're doing in here now. I'm about to cut out for the windows, and I'm going to make window rings. I've already got that kind of planned out, how I'm going to do it. So I'm going to make window rings and get that dressed up. So we'll give you an update here shortly. Hi YouTubers, well, let's go up and see what First Mate's progress is. She's varnishing after she stained the pieces that are going to go around the back of the settee. That's one of the main pieces that are going to go along the back wall with hinges at the bottom so we can get behind the storage. There are a few other pieces. How's it coming, First Mate? Very good. She's varnishing what she stained. I stained this piece.
I'm going to tell them what I'm noticing.
What you noticing?
To make it look like teak, you put on 2 coats of stain called gunstock. Is it gunstock?
Gunstock, yeah.
And don't wipe it down. Just put on a first coat, let it soak in and dry, then put on a second coat, let it soak in and dry, then varnish it. Now we're using the Captain's Varnish 1015, and it brings the gold out, and it makes it look like a blend of goldish, reddish colors that look like teak. Look at the difference between this color now that it's got varnish at the bottom, and then up here, look at the difference, just right even up here.
It's a little more subtle on that, I guess, because the varnish hasn't been sitting.
Well, then go look at the ones
but,
that are finished.
Yeah, the ones down here that are finished. Yeah, these kind of lightened up. Like this, for instance, doesn't have any. Yeah, we're using mahogany. This, for instance, doesn't have varnish on it. These do. That was varnished earlier. It's had the varnish on it the longest, and it's kind of lightening them up. So that's good, actually, because they were a bit dark. So anyway, that's our progress. Yeah, so as I was talking about earlier, we're going to paint all this and all. This has been an eyesore forever. So one of the pieces of mahogany, the one that I just stained out there, is going here. It's going to be fitted in. You got to love how everything's got to be really custom, and you got to go trim and trim and trim and cut to get it just right. And any sins around the edges will be covered up by some nice teak trim. I'm going to clean all this up too. That looks nasty. But yeah, this area has been a long time coming. We still have to rebuild this box. I've talked about that in previous videos, how they use particle board and pine from Home Depot, and it's just, the only thing good about it's the frame on the inside. So we'll use that as templates and get some more mahogany plywood and rebuild that. But yeah, it's coming along. This area will be partially completed this weekend, and hopefully finish it next weekend.